The Thermo King Boost Charger is a powerful device capable of safely and effectively taking power from the 7-way circuit, refrigeration unit, or stinger cable and charging an auxiliary battery. By utilizing 3-stage smart charging technology, temperature compensation, and battery isolation, the Boost Charger ensures the auxiliary batteries are charged properly, resulting in less charging time, better battery life, and operations uptime. This video will explain how to install a Thermo King Boost Charger. Most Boost Charger installations will require both a Boost Charger kit and a harness kit. The Boost Charger kit consists of the Boost Charger, the fuse assemblies, the hardware kit, and protective sleeving. Within the harness kit are the cable, protective sleeving and heat shrink covers, and a hardware kit. Start off by determining where the Boost Charger will be installed at the auxiliary batteries, which in this case is the liftgate batteries. Most liftgate battery boxes have pre-positioned mounting holes for electronics, so use those if possible. Install the protective sleeving around the Boost Charger cables to protect them during installation. The Boost Charger is designed to be mounted anywhere and in all conditions, so while preferable, mounting Boost Charger inside an enclosure is not required. Remember to ideally position the Boost Charger so that the status lights on the front of the unit are easily visible. Next, run the Boost Charger cable into the battery box. If applicable, reinstall the batteries and battery hold-downs back into the battery compartment. The Boost Charger cables consist of red, which is positive in, yellow, which is positive out, black, which is ground, blue, which is temperature sensor, and a currently unused 3-wire connector. Using the Boost Charger input cable, position the negative ring terminal on the batteries. Next, connect the red input positive cable to the positive charger cable. Then connect the black Boost Charger negative terminal onto the batteries. Install the blue battery sensor wire on or near the battery. This can be installed on any battery terminal within the bank of batteries, as long as there is no modification to the temperature sensor. For best results, find a battery stud with few terminals installed to avoid a large stack-up. Connect one of the fuse assemblies to the yellow cable. Ensure it is firmly torqued and then slide the red heat shrink over the assembly to keep it from rubbing on other cables. Install the other end of the fuse assembly on the positive side of the battery bank. Make sure it is installed at the furthest stud away from the negative connection to ensure the connections are spread out over all the batteries. Check that all terminals on the batteries are torqued down. Finish by performing proper cable management by using zip ties to anchor down all loose wires to avoid rubbing. Route and secure all cables along the trailer as to not interfere with vehicle operation. Focus on grommets, ties, tubing, etc. Reference this diagram. Connect charger to 7-way nose box. Connect the red and white cables, 1-pin connector, and then connect the black cable to the battery ground. Connect the white and red cable together through an inline fuse, heat seal. Connect the black cable to the ground pin of the trailer 7-way. Connect the red cable to the power pin of the 7-way. If connecting directly to an alternator, such as dual-pole stingers or refrigeration units, reference this diagram. Set Boost Charger for optimum performance. To optimize Boost Charger performance, the battery type selection should either be set to FLA if charging flooded batteries or AGM if charging AGM-type batteries. Furthermore, Extend mode should typically be set to On to maintain the battery isolation set point of 12.5 volts or set to Off if a higher isolation set point of 12.7 volts is required.